This is Huey. Huey is a product of Blank Beauty, and we use an Epson T3 robot to create products in front of customers. Instead of making the products in factory, we make the products in front of the customers where they go. We have Huey in stores in USA, and we have online edition of Huey. Customers can create 40,000 shades of nail polish in one machine smaller than 1 meter. This machine can make color from popular colors or from photo of a camera. So if you take photo of color, you can make that color on Huey.
I am so excited to show off our color matching technology with Huey. Huey can make any color nail polish you want. Today we are going to make Epson Blue. So using this, we can come over to the screen and we can match from your own photos. With a click selection, you have a custom color on your screen. Epson Blue. And Huey will make it for you on the spot. Let's sit back and watch the magic happen. So, Huey here will use our technology to find the exact code to match your shades. He finds out very specifically which pigments and does a formulation on the spot in order to make a custom color for every picture we receive. So right here, he's mixing together our pigments. Now this is the exciting part for me. I always love the way that he takes the top off the bottle. So now Huey's going to put the brush back on the cap. My favorite, zoom in on this one. Absolutely my favorite to watch the mix. And we have Epson Blue. Thank you.